Designing stormwater systems is made simple with h2x.
And designs that used to take hours can now be done in minutes. So let's start by going into the settings, where we can choose the default size, material, and flow rates for our pipe system.
And all measurements are both available in imperial and metric.
Designing stormwater systems in h2x is as simple as selecting and placing a wide range of equipment, all of which has fully customizable settings. Then using the polyline-based Pipes and Multiple Pipes tools, draw out your system in seconds. Then place your stormwater nodes and augment your system with a wide range of additional stormwater valves and equipment.
Then when your design is complete, with just the click of a single button, h2x automatically sizes and calculates your entire system.
Zooming in on our pipes, we can see h2x has instantly undertaken some pretty complicated calculations.
And right along our piping, we can see the pipe's grade and its fall. And looking at our stormwater nodes in particular, we can see the flow rate. Through h2x, you can directly export your designs into both AutoCAD and Revit. And in terms of documentation, export your plans into fully customizable PDF drawing sets, a full system design report that compiles every calculation in your system, and a bill of materials that compiles all costs into an easy-to-read, easy-to-reference spreadsheet.
If you'd like to optimize your workflow with h2x, head to our website and book a one-to-one free demonstration with one of our specialists, and sign up for a free trial. But if h2x isn't just for you, we also offer large-scale implementation plans
for entire teams of designers.